All
Oh,
right.
it's
Well,
wow. Okay, that's cool.
we are here with Santa today.
Well, some of
And
your get some of them may not recognize me. I think I better put my hat on for a moment or two so they can there. With the hat, I am much more identifiable.
now it looks just like we're there with you. That is true.
There I am.
Excellent. Well, Santa, we are so excited to see you and to have you sharing with us some of your very favorite products that doTERRA is just sending out for the holidays. They're just going to be released this week. Tell us what we've got. What's on the list?
Yes, some of them are. The elves of doTERRA have been very, very busy this year, and they've got a hold. Although I am very disappointed, I want to point that right off the bat. I really loved the doTERRA beard oils last year, but but I am told that the elves have created a recipe for a DIY or DIY or a do it yourself. I have elves to do everything. So why don't you just tell them about that?
Yes, so there is a recipe and it is on the doTERRA blog. So we will include that in the description where you can just clip right in and get it. Basically, it's a very simple method. You just choose your favorite oil, maybe one of the ones that Santa's going to share with us today, and you put 5 to 10 drops in about an ounce of fractionated coconut oil, or if you want to use jojoba or avocado oil. Those are good choices as well. And there's one other thing you can do. It's not a DIY, but it's also very effective. And this one is great for the ladies too. doTERRA has a root to tip serum that you can purchase, and it is lovely for all your hair, including your beard. So it's already there, but it does smell like the root to tip serum, which has cedarwood, rosemary, peppermint, and lots of them. It's quite a strong scent. I actually really love it. But anyway, those are a couple of options that we have since we don't have doTERRA's beard oils, darn it all. But tell us about that other stuff that's so great.
Okay, thank you, Elf Brenda. Appreciate that. You can tell where all the smarts come. Santa doesn't have to know anything. He just has to realize how cool the products are that the doTERRA elves make. Well, on November the 1st, that's just in a couple of days from the time we're making this recording, there's two awesome products coming out. Okay, the first, I want to get a picture of it right here. This is my fave. All right. We have seen a lot of diffusers out there, but this big guy, choo choo,
Yes.
whistle included, comes and he will deliver oils aromatically for 3 hours, 6 hours, or all day long if that's what you would like. And he comes with an oil. By the way, he's a night light. He's got light on both sides. So it's a complete, this is not a 2D thing you stick on the wall. Okay. This is the full meal deal. It comes with an oil with it called, let me see
Which
if I
oil
can
is
get
it?
this of the Stronger Protective. So it's a blend
Oh,
of Stronger that comes
yes.
with it. And there's actually on the train track, if you will look carefully, that there is a train track at the bottom of that picture.
Oh
At
my
the back of
gosh.
that is there's a place to keep three different bottles of oil to shoot. So you've always got one handy right by your train diffuser. So I'd
See,
encourage you to use the Stronger, but be brave. Try new things. I love the woody things. But one thing I want you to try for sure is the oil that's coming out also on November the 1st. Anyone tell me what that is?
I can't wait. I cannot wait. What is
Well,
it?
you must wait till the 1st to get it or to order it. But it's Midnight Forest.
Yes, yes, yes.
I want you to imagine this with this whole Midnight Forest and its accompanying products that we're going to talk about in a moment. I want you to imagine a walk after a snowstorm in the woods.
Mm,
The smell, the quietness, the calmness.
mhm.
There's nothing like that. And that is the odor and the smell that your body will receive from this whole Midnight Forest series. So they named it well. Good things can happen after midnight, parents, but it has to do with oil, okay? Other than that, keep them kids on the nice list, right? So it has lots of uses with the Midnight Forest. I'd encourage you to try them and enjoy that odor. Use it in the beard oil recipe you're going to be sent.
Yes, do it. It's going to
You
be
will-
amazing.
You will love it. But there's more coming on December the 1st. That's getting closer to my time to shine.
What
Coming
else is
soon.
coming? What?
Can you see this?
Yes.
Okay, it is a body lotion. And how could this be? It's an aftershave lotion. When would Santa ever use an aftershave lotion?
I can't
Um,
imagine.
On December 26th. These oils are awesome that we're using with the midnight oils, and these applications with the aftershave. I can't relate to it yet, but I will. And the body lotion. And Santa has a lot of body, so he's looking forward to getting some of that and rubbing it all around him. It's not like my shower is like on a cruise ship. I have a big shower, so I can actually twirl around and dance and enjoy myself in there. So I could have the foam going and everything else. Now, this is, the beard oil has been handed to me by one of my elves already. It's a DIY Santa beard oil. I'm going to smell this. Oh, that's awesome. Thank you, Elf Deborah. I appreciate that. So use the products, use your aftershave, use your body wash, and use your beard oil that you're making. And most of all, put this around to go around under your Christmas tree this year. So you
Oh
have
my gosh. It doesn't go though, right? It's just a
tray.
diffuser.
No, it doesn't go. It
Okay. Put it
smokes
on the
though.
mantle.
It does the best, hardest part. The first thing that breaks on every train I give out, and I've been on the elves about this all the time, is the smoker on the train always seems to stop. And this one's not going to. This one's going to keep going. So get that soon. And I would suggest, and Santa's totally serious about this, set your alarm for 11:55 p.m. tomorrow night. Wake up, get on the doTERRA website, place your order, have patience, but don't wait till the next morning when you normally wake up, because you know what happens on these Christmas specials.
They go
They're
fast.
gone. Yep. And when they're gone, they're gone. So,
Love it.
Elf Brenda, do you have anything else you would like to say?
No, but I just want to say, I do actually. I just want to say thank you so much for spending the time today and letting us know what Santa's favorite products are that are coming out on November 1st. So thank you so much for
Well,
doing
thank
that.
you for visiting us on the North Pole. Oh, the reindeer are calling. I better go.
Bye-bye, Santa.